Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. I'm really excited to do this video today. Today is another savings challenge that I started. And today for my motivational quote, it said, think about what could go right. I've just been scared about starting new stuff, and I'm sure a lot of us in the same boat. We kind of get scared when something new is getting started, nervous. Think about what could go right, not what could go wrong, what could go right. Think about that. 2025, we're going to think about what will go right and get it started. So in today's video, I'm going to cast off my savings challenges. I normally in the year I have a lot of savings challenges going on, and yesterday I unstarred one, which I started this year for my mom, and I did one that we unstarred long time ago. If you are new here, you know that I do a lot of savings challenge. I unstarred them, and here we go, and here we are now. I'm doing it, starting this one, and it's going to go to next year. So today I'm going to do some of the savings challenge that I started, and you will see which ones I'm doing. Definitely 100 envelope savings challenge is part of it. I love that challenge. If you've been on this channel for a long time, you know I have done it so many times. Let's count the money and get started. 100, 200. I hope everybody is doing very well. I am doing fabulous. I have been getting a lot of orders, and it's been tired packing all of them, trying to get them out on time. So if you have ordered from me, it's coming. I just made a bunch of it today, so it's coming on your way. Super grateful about that. Super grateful. If you haven't ordered yet, my Christmas sale is still going on, 30% off. Go check my store out, my Etsy shop, my Shopify. All of them is 30% until Christmas. So go grab something. Thank you for doing that. And all those things that I've been using my video, I have it on my shop as well. For those of you who have been asking me questions, where did I get those stuff from? I have them in my shop. And most of them, I do most of the material myself by hand with a touch of love. Let's go on. That was 200, 210, 220, 230, 235. $11, $10. So 245. So 245. 445. That's 250. So I'm gonna cast out today's challenge with 250, and I have 3 challenges. So let's go ahead and start with the Amo family. We are doing the 52 money pot savings challenge. It's just like the 50-week savings challenge, but this one I'm not doing it bi-weekly. I'm doing it randomly. So today I am here, so I'm going to put 7, 8, and 9. So let's go ahead and get it started. I do have it in my shop as well. Like I said, most of the stuff I do them by hand, so go check it out. They are 30% off. Then I have 8. Like I said, it's just like the 52-week savings challenge, but I don't do it weekly. I do it anytime I have the money to put it in. And you can also do it the same way. You don't have to do it weekly. $9. Okay, so that's all for that one. Let me go ahead and color it. So it is 7. It has the tracking color, and it also has the regular one that you can write it out. Let me see. Yeah, so I did 7. I think it's gonna be 27. Then I did 8, so it's gonna be 35. Then I did 9, so it's gonna be 44. So I do have it this form that you can track it, and I also do have it in this way. You can also track it. At the end, we're going to get 1378 for this challenge. Let me go ahead and go to the next one. So this is how it look like, and at the back it has the congratulations. You can buy it as a Christmas gift. It also have, at the end of the 52, it also have some bonus here. So let me put that one aside, and let's go to the vacation one. The vacation one is also 100 envelope savings challenge, just like the 100 envelope savings challenge, but this particular one, I'm doing it in a different way. When you buy the 100 envelope savings challenge from me, I have an empty tracker. That one, the way you use it is that you can, the way you use it, you can pick any number. So if you pick an envelope, you can decide which amount you want to put it in, which amount that you have, then you put it in. So the first one I did put $10, the second one I did 5, then the third one I did put 5, fourth one I put 5. For today, I'm going to do 5, 6, 7, and 8, I think. Let me see. So $5. Let me do it, and I will do the recording. I will do 6. So you decide whichever amount you want to put in, and you record it over there. So at the end, you can tally it up and see whether the amount matches. Then I do have 7. Then I do have 8. Okay, so that's that one. So let me record it here. So when I'm done with this tracker, then I'll go ahead and count the money. I want to make sure you guys can see. So I did 5 again, 6, 7, 8. So that's all for this one as well. This one, normally every year we take like a mini vacation, and this money here is going to be purposely for that mini vacation. When I'm done with everything, we're going to count it and take it and use it for that vacation. So that's why I wrote here vacation. This year, for instance, I made it a purpose that every savings challenge that I'm doing will have a purpose. I'll not just do it and I wouldn't know what it is. Every of them will have a purpose, and I'm going to bring a video up to show you all the challenges I'll do in 2025. Definitely these ones are going to be part of it. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is Ghana trip. My mom and 2 of the kids are traveling to Ghana sometime in summer, and we need a plane ticket. We need money that they will spend, and to tell you, it's not easy to come by those money. So I've started saving for that one, and this one, each envelope get $100. At the end, we will have 10,000. I'm hoping to get it done as quick as possible. Hopefully I can get it done so that I can buy the plane ticket early as expected, because if I don't do that, they cannot leave. So that one is this one, and all these trackers are apart from the regular envelope savings challenge. All these trackers are also part of my savings challenge for the 100 envelope. You have 4 different trackers, 4 different trackers that you can use in this booklet. Anyhow you want to save, you have the chance. So that's all for this video, and I really want to tell everybody, think about what could go right when you're about to start something. What could go right? Think about it. 2025, you're going to be intentionally by starting something. By being scared doesn't mean you should quit, right? So that's it. Thank you for joining me. For my new subscribers, thank you. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye.